Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about lead generation made simple. This is why. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and get ready to start living the life of your dreams. Enjoy the video. For more information about lead generation made simple, this is why, head over to my website and sign up for my weekly newsletter. For signing up today you get my free ebook about lead generation for beginners. The link to my website is in the description box. Lead generation made simple. How to generate leads. Lead generation is no easy task for any business to achieve. Even for the best of businesses, creating leads that generate profits can be tough work. There are a number of reasons why a business owner may not want to invest in their own lead generation campaign. The biggest reason why it is difficult to get started in a lead generation made simple is that it takes time to get the word out and create a need for a product or service. It also takes time to get the results that are needed. However, once a need has been created, there is no telling how long it will take to get it into a paying customer's hands. If you are a new business or do not have the funds to hire a full-time sales force or advertise on television, radio, or direct mail, you will have to make do with the resources that you have at your disposal. Once you find an opportunity to advertise or sell a product or service, you must constantly seek out leads. In order to attract the kind of people that will be interested in your products and services, it is important to advertise. Your marketing strategy will not work without advertising. Advertising on television, radio, and in print is the key to creating the leads that your business needs to sell. Without these types of media ads, your business will not be generating enough sales to meet your profits. Every customer that buys a product or service is a potential client. A large percentage of new customers are not drawn to your business by its location or image. If you want your customers to become repeat customers, it is necessary to market to them based on their needs, wants, and desires. The main reason why lead generation made simple is difficult is because it is hard to make your customers understand the value of your products and services. Your potential clients want to know what benefits they can receive. They do not want to waste their time looking for what you offer unless you have presented something of value to them. Another reason why lead generation made simple is difficult is because of the time it takes to reach customers. People need time to choose the products or services that they will purchase and then contact you. If your list does not sell itself, you will have to wait for people to find you. People cannot be made aware of the benefits of your products or services if it is too late to explain the opportunities that they can receive by contacting you. You have to keep in mind that you cannot just promote your products and services to people that you think might be interested in them. You also have to get the word out to those who have not yet expressed interest in your products or services. Leads are needed in order to reach those people that are currently on your list and still searching for products or services. In order to ensure that your current customers remain a part of your list, you must create an incentive for them to return to your website or sales page. The best way to do this is to offer them more for free than what you are currently offering them. You must offer small incentives such as offers that will provide them with additional products or services. This will continue to build the buzz around your company and the offer will become more appealing as more people hear about it. When your customers are impressed with your offer, it will provide the incentive that they need to return to your site or sales page. If you are using a newsletter as part of your promotional material, you should make sure that it provides your customers with something that they will use. You can offer these promotional items such as coffee mugs, t-shirts, or calendars. Each item will allow you to show your customers that you care enough to provide something extra for them to use when they visit your site. It can be frustrating to attempt to promote your business when it seems that it is impossible to get started in a lead generation made simple. However, once you have mastered the basics of generating leads, you will be able to focus your efforts on the areas where you need the most help to reach your sales goals. Thanks for watching my video about lead generation made simple. This is why, if you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.